What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're continuing my build series on my car. Getting it ready for tune day. Some of you guys may know who follow me on Instagram. You guys know that I already sold my Tome because I want to go to a quieter route. Which, you know, of course, soon by the title of this video, you guys know I'm installing the Cobb titanium exhaust. I found a good deal on it. You know, those used. The funny thing is that guy was looking for a Tome, but I didn't know until like literally when I went to go pick it up. He was like, yeah, I was looking for a Tome, and then I saw you had yours, but then you sold it when I was trying to message you, and I was just like, well, I was like, we could have just fucking traded. I could have gave you some money on top and just instead of having to go through all this other bullshit. I'm gonna change the battery out. Okay, anyway, so change the battery. I'm gonna get that installed today, and also I'm gonna do my solid trans mount. I already have the motor mount. I already have the pitch stop mount. Now I have the trans mount. I was like, so might as well do it now since I already have the exhaust off, and make it a little easier for myself since I already have all that stuff off. So yeah, I mean, happy Monday. Happy Monday. Back to what I was saying is I am gonna go quieter just because, like I said, for this exact reason. I don't want to attract a lot of attention to cops, especially now with a lot of stuff going on. So stay tuned. So you can, for all you new subscribers, stay tuned, subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share this video, you know, to all your friends and family. I don't know, whatever you can, anything helps. I'm trying to grow this channel, you know, trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost at 600, so that's a plus. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Honestly, just sit back, relax, grab a beer, grab a soda. Let's jump right into the video. And like I said, I hope you guys enjoy this. So good. Look at that. I'll clean the rest, but I'm not really gonna see it, especially with my diffuser in there. So, got the trans mount, and what you gotta do is take this shield off, which is a bunch of 12s, and then that string there, that whole thing right there, which is a bunch of 14s. These outer ones right here, you gotta take off the 2 in the middle, and then there's 2 17s, and this whole thing kind of comes down, and all you gotta do is just slide it out. I thought I would have to take the exhaust off because I thought it wasn't gonna clear, but I have enough room to make it clear. So I'm gonna get to that. You don't have to get a tranny jack or anything like that because of the what's it called? For one, I got a carbon fiber drive shaft, so that one's not going anywhere. That's gonna hold that tranny in pretty good. And also I got the all the motor mounts and whatnot all in, so it's not gonna go anywhere. So don't worry about it. It might kind of drop a little bit down, but then, you know, just with your hand push it up when you go back on. But I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse so you guys can see what I'm doing. All I gotta say is, goddamn. Oh shit. I feel like this one's sticking out a little more. Yeah, it is sticking out a little more. But there's not much I could do because the way unless I rotate the downpipe, the turbo a little bit more. But damn. That's the only bad thing about it, fuck. Unless let me try something real quick and then I'll see if I can get this lined up. So yeah, unfortunately I had to push this one in. I mean, it's still like slightly more out. I mean, actually, what do you guys think? You guys think this side is more out than this side? Probably like a smidge, huh? Oh well. I think the reason is because, like I said, since I rotated my turbo, so I rotated the turbo kind of like straight this way, so the intake is just like shooting straight down. The downpipe rotates too. This is what happened. Guess if you guys look, oh shit. You know how majority of like all the downpipes, this part is right here. But like I said, since my turbo's more rotated, the exhaust is more that way. Since this is not lined up, kind of throws off all the exhaust, but and I'm not really worried as long as it's not touching anything. But so far so good. Now gotta clean it up, get all the oil marks out just so it doesn't smoke too much. But this exhaust probably weighs less than my Tomei, the one I had. Yeah, so this exhaust super light, super easy to put on. Also the bushings not so really, because the guy who bought it from gave me all the Cobb bushings that he got and whatnot. So but it looks good. You guys can't really see it. I do like the single exit a lot better, but this is gonna work because it's not so hot boy anymore. Because if you look down, it looks like I have mufflers, and it'll be quieter than this one. Because you guys don't know, this one has that R400. I like the way the dual tips look, but it's just so droney. I hate this exhaust. I took it today to Cars and Coffee. Fuck, my ears were not liking it. But this one, I'm excited for this one. Titanium is way lighter than that one. I can tell you that, it's way lighter, even with the mufflers. It's way lighter, this one, the Cobb one. And like I said, I'm just hoping it's not so droney. I never had the exhaust, but I've seen videos. I mean, I know video does no justice on, like, you know, in-person sound, but as long as it's quiet, as long as it's not droney, that's all I care about, really. Fortunately, guys, that's it for this video. I don't have to tease you guys again. For all you return subscribers, I'm gonna wait until, well, I have to wait anyways. I can't start it because I don't have a well, if you guys saw in the engine bay, you guys know what I don't have in there. But something big's coming up, something I was been wanting for a really long time. Luckily I found one and everything's coming along together. I think what I'm gonna do too now is get a 4-port boost controller. So I'm gonna need that boost controller just to control the wastegate a little better, the external wastegate a little better. Yeah, something big's coming up, so subscribe to that video. I mean, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. I want you guys trust me, you guys won't miss this either. This build is it's literally going to the moon like all the stocks. The tune video is about to be pretty damn lit. I already made 500 on the stock clutch slipping, so if you guys want to go check that video out, just go on my channel. Also, that one has similar setup as mine, just not all the fancy stuff like the carbon fiber drive shaft or the CAE shifter, but pretty much identical. Also, if you guys are interested, you're so interested in my flawless work stickers, let me know. $5 each. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up. I know I kind of teased you guys. I know you guys want to hear the exhaust. I mean, so do I, don't get me wrong, but like I said, if you guys looked when I showed you guys the turbo, you guys would see something was missing. And all I can say is something big, something huge is coming in for that car. That's why I can't turn it on yet. I know it's kind of a tease, and you guys probably probably hating me right now. Also, I want to feel the solid trans mount. I want to feel how it all feels together. Because look at this behemoth. Look at this behemoth mount. That thing, I don't know how the hell it's gonna do with all that power. You feel me? No, I'm just kidding. But I'm glad I changed it out now. Now I gotta do my girl's car too. Same thing, same scenario. She has a push stop mount. She has the motor mount. All I gotta do is a trans mount. Just got lazy and run out of daylight, so I just kind of finished. I just wanted her car started. That's why I didn't put it on. Which now that it started, now everything's good. The clutch is broken in. Now I'm gonna probably take it home tonight, and then probably tomorrow or the day after I'm gonna put the trans mount on it as well. And then yeah, and then off from there is just tune day. So tune day and ready to party, you know. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Peace out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.